In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add predecessors in Smartsheet. Predecessors are the backbone of project scheduling. They tell Smartsheet which tasks must finish before others can begin, so your dates adjust automatically and your plan stays realistic without constant manual updates. Start by heading to the Smartsheet homepage. From there, select Start a new project, program, or process. This opens the creation flow where you can either build from an existing template or create something clean. You'll see a gallery of options, including role-based templates under company management. Templates are great for getting useful columns and views out of the box. For this walkthrough, though, we'll keep things simple and start from scratch, so we're only focusing on the essentials you need for predecessors. Next, choose a new workspace starting point. This just determines where your new sheet will live and who can access it later. Pick the location that fits your team's setup, then continue. Now, click on Gantt. The Gantt format gives you the timeline view on the right and task columns on the left, including start, end, duration, and, most importantly, the predecessors column. If you don't see the predecessors column, make sure you're using a Gantt-style sheet, since that layout is designed for dependency-driven schedules. Once your sheet opens, look for the predecessors column. This is where you'll define the relationships between tasks. Each task is on a row, and rows have numbers. You'll use those row numbers to tell Smartsheet which earlier task a later task depends on. Click into the predecessor cell for the task that needs to wait for something else. For example, if task 2 shouldn't start until task 1 is complete, click into task 2's predecessors field and type the number 1. That's it. Smartsheet interprets this as a dependency between row 2 and row 1, and by default treats it as a finish to start relationship. You'll notice the dates for task 2 adjust to begin after task 1 ends, and on the Gantt chart you'll see a connector line linking the two bars. This makes it easy to scan your timeline and understand the flow of work. You can repeat that same approach across your plan, chaining tasks together to reflect the real sequence of your project. If a task depends on more than one earlier task, you can reference multiple row numbers, and you can fine-tune timing with lags later if needed. For now, the key is knowing where to enter the dependency and how Smartsheet uses it to automatically keep your schedule in sync.